Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add Klarna card to Apple Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, you need to simply open the Klarna app, and once you open it, you need to now simply navigate to the wallet section. So if you are using an Android device, you can find the option called Google Pay. However, if you are using an iOS device, you need to simply select your Klarna credit card. Once you have done this, you need to then tap on Add to Apple Wallet option. So once you have done this, you need to follow the on-screen prompts to add your card details and confirm the terms and conditions. Once this is done as well, you will then be able to use your Klarna with your Apple Pay when shopping online or in apps. So this way you can add Klarna to your Apple Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.